It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas. This is Panay News Tonight. Here are the top stories of the day. Due to the current conflict between Israel and Palestine, the Iloilo Provincial Government Help Desk is extending its services to Ilonggos working and residing in these countries. According to the head of the Public Employment Service Office in Iloilo, Francisco Hilaire Jr., persons with relatives working in Israel can visit the help desk at the 5th floor of the Iloilo Provincial Capital. The help desk provides communications equipment for concerned citizens to contact friends and loved ones in the Middle Eastern countries. Hilaire also said any requests they receive from Ilonggos abroad are reviewed and forwarded to the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration. A complaint was filed against the Department of Public Works and Highways and the Department of Environment and Natural Resources for the cutting down of trees in Barangay Singkang Airport, Bacolod City. The local citizen anti-graft and corruption group, Crusaders for Justice, addressed the complaint to the Visayas Deputy Ombudsman, Paul Elmer Clements. They are charging DPWH District Engineer Jaime Javillana and DENR Engineer Joan Nathaniel Garangaya of violating Republic Act 3571, which prohibits cutting and destroying trees and plants of scenic value. The DPWH was criticized by environmental advocates and residents after cutting down 35 decades-old trees along Araneta Street to make way for a sidewalk project. But Javillana said he had been issued a permit by the DENR. The Antique Provincial Health Office reported a high rate in COVID-19 recoveries. According to the APHO, more than 970 cases out of 1,210 have recovered. Active cases are currently down by 14.13%, while the death toll is only 5.12%. The current active cases in each municipality are the following. Governor Rodora Cadiao cited the Antiqueños' cooperation with local authorities in curbing the rise in cases. Antique is still under modified general community quarantine, with restaurants, hotels, and resorts operating at only half of the maximum capacity. And those were tonight's latest headlines. This is your anchor, Elisha Lusaria Pumida. Good evening. For more stories, check our website, www.panaynews.net. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Grab the digital copy of Panay News on Press Reader. Read Panay News via the Inquirer Plus app and avail a free 30-day trial. Don't forget to always wear your face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing.